Hello chess lovers, in this video we will learn how to write the chess moves. In order to learn this, first of all we need to understand square name. The combination of alphabet plus number is known as square name. For example, this square. The alphabet is A, the number is 4. So A plus 4 is equal to A4. A4 is the square name of this square. Let's suppose this square. D5, this one, H6, this one, E8. So that's how the square name thing works. Now we will combine the square name with the symbols. Symbols are exactly the sound which is coming when we are pronouncing the piece name. For example, rook. So the first sound which is coming when we are pronouncing the rook is R. So R will be the square symbol of the rook. Knight, N. Bishop, B. King, K. Queen, Q. Pawns, P. You are wondering that why I wrote ABCD in front of the pawn. So there are 8 pawns, A to H, that's why I wrote A to H alphabet. And how we'll use it, I'll tell you. So next thing we will see that how we will combine both square name plus symbol. So symbol plus square name is the move we will write. For example, this N, knight symbol, F3 square. Let's just mark F3 on the board. This is F3. So when I'm moving knight over here, so that's how we write it. You see the on the right side of the board, notation entered N F3. This is the notation of this move. When I move this one, N C6. So now I'm moving the pawn. Most of the kids says that we will write PE4. Not PE4 exactly, we will write E4 over here. Not using the P, instead we are just using the alphabets of it only. Moving the pawn here, E5. This one, B, C4. There we go. Again the bishop thing came, bishop C5, B C5. Now it comes to the castling, that how we will write the symbol of the castling. So the short castling is 0-0, the long is 0-0-0. I'm moving the short castling right now, 0-0, you see. So it's on the board. Now let's see the other things also, the check example and the capture example, that how we will capture the pieces and also move the other pieces. For example, black just played this. Now I'm moved the rook, RE1. That's how we use the rook symbol. Let's just move the knight here, ND4. Now I'm cutting the knight here. So N cross D4 is here. Why cross is there, X is there? Now the capture symbol is this X, NX D4. We can say N cross D4. That sounds good. Now bishop can take it on D4, so that will be B cross D4. But mostly the people will confuse in the pawn takes. How will write the pawn takes? So this is E alphabet, E pawn, E captures D4. That's how we wrote it. Now I'm moving my bishop over here just to give the check to the king. So this is the check. Now you see that B5, that is simple, but what is this plus sign? When we are giving the check to the king, the check sign is plus. That's how we use the plus. And if we are doing the checkmate, then the sign will be of hash. That's how we use the square names and the symbols together, and also these special symbols. So I hope you learn how to write the chess moves now. If you find this video useful, then do not forget to like it and also mention your valuable feedbacks in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel Fun with Chess.